That's just crazy. Freaking Sydney, Nova Scotia's flooding. In Canada. In Canada. Look at that. Wow, look at those trees.
They're like, woohoo, we got no power. Isn't that fucking crazy? That's baseball field over there.
That's really crazy. Look at this.
Don't play in it, that's sewage.
I know. Mom! Look at that. Mom, look. That is awesome and crazy.
Mom! Mom! Yeah, that person, the trees are drowning.
Of course they're drowning. The trees are drowning. Oh, shit. Quickly.
Roof off the dollar store in the piers ripped off.
Holy. I know. Oh my god, look over there! A guy's swing set is freaking underwater.
Holy shit.
I'm pretty sure those are news reporters.
They are. They were just doing a live thing.
Yeah, I know.
Are you recording me?
No.
Now imagine flooding Paris was double the shock, but you just
That's
missed.
there, I was right there.
What?
Everything's still there, the chairs. Praise the God.
News reporters, playground.